Hey, just arrived. This extremely low mileage Tuono V4. So I think it's under 600 miles. So as you would expect, pretty much spotless bike. Great spec on these. All the electronics. This one's got Evotech crash bungs on it. Lovely looking bike. It's got really smart Evotech levers on, adjustable levers. Very good quality levers. Also tyres are good with that mileage on. Tinted screen, not sure if they come as standard. Maybe do. Quick shifter on it there. It's got little reels to put it up on the paddock stand. So 74 edge, not sure that's 24 or 25, it will say on the advert. Grab rail fitted. It's got cruise control there. All the functions you can get through on the clocks. It's got 561 miles. Daytime riding lights. So there's a sort of just scrolling through the computer. So ATC, traction control, AEM, whatever that is, ABS, adjustable, AEB, engine braking, ALC, launch control, different modes, quick shifter, ABS obviously. Oh, I think I said that. Anyway, all the bits and all the bobs. Starts on the button. Sounds lovely. Not really much more to say about this one. Like a new bike, but cheaper.